How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to Universal Studios, where we are here to check out the Halloween Horror Nights Tribute Store, which opens today right here in the park to pass holders at 11 a.m. So we're gonna head on that way to check it out. Guys, we're so back. Horror Nights is back. Oh my gosh. We've been dreaming of this day for basically all year. Friday will be opening night. We will be here for the whole event. Gonna be a very jam-packed day, but today we are of course checking out the tribute store. They did some team member previews last night, but we're here to check it out and see it for ourselves. So let's head on over to that side of the park in New York and go check it out. It's gonna be a great time.
Excited.
Just one of the mini boards over here at one of the food booths. This is the Twilight Tavern booth, but my drink of choice during Horror Nights right here, the Lacto Cooler. That one, definitely my go-to. We made it over, and this is the line to head on in. All right, no visit to the tribute store would be complete without first getting some snacks. I got the Ghost Trap Blondie. Is that even coming out right? Coming out, focus on, look at that.
Oh my god. And I got the mini pup s'more.
Yeah.
They're kind of
All
cute.
right, let's focus on that now.
Don't drop it.
No promises. So, we're gonna dig into this, our first treat of the season. I don't even know how I can do this properly without, you know, for the camera. Let's, how am I gonna do this?
I'm gonna just take a bite.
This is straight, like, marshmallow.
I just like s'mores, and it's a s'more, so okay.
So you're gonna love the,
I'm gonna love that.
So we got one of the food booths that will be over here for Horror Nights, I quickly wanted to come out and check out because you got the mini Stay Puft S'more. That is what I'm probably most excited for, honestly, to try on Friday for $6.99, a reasonable price. Then you of course have the Frozen Death Chill, which also looks pretty good. And a fun little Easter egg is that on the sign you can actually see that it says family owned since 1984. 1984, as you know, is the year that the original Ghostbusters film came out. That's pretty cool. Well, that's pretty much it from inside of the tribute store. It was a good time. I always love these tribute stores. They just get better and better. Now, this was not my favorite one, personally. The facade with the old shipping crate is a little wonky. Still, a good tribute store nonetheless, and just hypes us up even more for Friday. What do you think?
I'm excited. It was great.
Oh my gosh. That's gonna basically do it from today. A rather short vlog. We're gonna spend a couple more hours in the park, probably just walking around, looking at some Horror Night updates. But guys, thanks for joining us here for another episode on the channel, and I will see you here on Friday. Gonna be a great time. Horror Nights is so back.
I'm so excited.